When it comes to cooking with chicken sausages, we always use them in hot dogs, have them for breakfast, or cook them in pastas. Today I'm going to show you something slightly different, a chicken sausage curry, something new to try in this new year. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is fry up the chicken frankfurter sausages that I have here. Don't need too much oil, just a little bit. Just spread it around the pan and let it heat up. Just place the sausages in the pan now to fry up. These sausages are nicely fried. We are going to cook them further. So for now, I'm just going to let them rest on this plate and cool down slightly. Now we're going to start making the curry in the same pan. I'm going to add some oil, this time a little generously because I have to fry some onions. First thing in are some whole spices. I'm going to add 1 bay leaf, 2 skinny sticks of cinnamon, and 2 cloves. Next in is 1 onion that's been sliced up. Now to help caramelize the onions, I'm going to add just a tiny pinch of sugar and some salt. Saute that. While the onions are frying up, I'm just going to slice up these sausages that we had fried earlier. The onions are starting to caramelize, so now I'm going to add some finely minced ginger and some finely minced garlic. I know this is a sausage curry, but it's going to become even more delicious with some vegetables, the first of which are some peas. And just about half a carrot. Saute that in. Now to this, I'm going to add 2 tomatoes that have been pureed. Quickly, I'm going to add some spices, first of which is some red chilli powder, some coriander powder, and garam masala. Stir that in. The masalas are cooking really nicely in the tomato puree. Now to this, I'm going to add secret ingredient, which is not so secret anymore, but makes it very yummy, some tomato ketchup. Stir that in so that it cooks with our masalas. Now I'm going to add some water. Now I'm going to add the sausages back into the pan. Make sure that they are completely submerged in the curry. Take the flame up to high and let this come to a simmer. The masalas have nicely cooked into the gravy and the sausages have also absorbed all the flavors of the masalas that we had added. This sausage curry is absolutely ready. I'm going to turn off the flame and plate this up. The sausages have plumped up. They've absorbed all the flavors from this curry and of course a bit of the curry as well. The carrot is nice and tender. It's so yummy. This is a really quick and easy curry to make with ingredients that you can find easily. I hope you try this recipe and stay tuned to Get Curried for loads more.